Hello everyone, welcome to Computer CPU Plus YouTube channel. This is Murshid. I'm the technician who mostly working on all the remarkable devices since 2020 to now. This video actually update on remarkable device repair. As we can see, we receiving the device from many different states, from Canada as well. Most of them we receiving regarding the power button issue. I hope you guys can see. Here very hard to see, take a look. So this one looks normal, but there is a small dent, and this one has a small dent, but it's very hard to see. I'm not sure you guys can see it or not, but it's barely I can see it. Same issue, power button damaged or jammed, whatever. We can fix it. Pretty much 100% success rate on power button repair. Even need to replace the actual button, we can replace it because we have the universal replacement power button in stock for Remarkable 2. And this video is especially on a case study on a water damage Remarkable. This is very interesting for me. This job was very interesting for me because of the water damage. No power was not issue with power button. The power button was completely okay. It was pressing fine, no drop or anything. It was not getting any power at all. It was just showing the Remarkable sleeping, something like that. So our customers send the device to us to run a diagnostic, not for power button repair again, it's just for diagnostic. We opened the device and we found some corrosion on the circuit board, which is very close to the charging port. And the picture is here, so as you can see, this is the corrosion picture. I'm going to close you to the screen, and that way you can take a look. So as you can see, the corrosion on the circuit board and is completely liquid damage was and most of the capacitor was damaged, and one connection was damaged completely. So one connection means there is there was around how many? So I have all the capacitor is here on my mat. So the one I replaced, so as you can see, those are all bad capacitor we removed from the circuit. As you can see, all of them was bad. We check one by one, and one by one component we check and we replace with a good component, and now the device is successfully turning on. So let's show you. It just wants to hide the customer information. As you can see, the device is turning on, so I'm going to click here and you can check it here. As you can see, the device is turning and it's working fine. All the data we saved and everything is good, taking charge, normal, good to go. So this case was regarding the liquid damage. As you can see, how bad was the component. This component was completely like, as you can see, is how bad is that. So, and I think I have another picture which was liquid sign. As you can see here, it was under the motherboard. So we completely replaced all of them. We replaced all of those bad component, and then the device is right now is running fine. So this video is just for giving you guys an update. We we repairing Remarkable 2 here pretty much every day, at least daily, at least couple of them, like 2-3 of them. Sometimes even I'm sorry, I think I did not remember how many, but in the system we have like Remarkable tickets, probably over thousands, and we still fixing. So as you know, if you need to repair your Remarkable 2, no matter what issue except the screen issue, because screen parts is not available at this moment, but you can give us a call and check once a while about the screen. Rather than like power issue, data recovery, charging issue, power button issue, you guys definitely can ship to us. Our address is 1829 Lakewood Range, Blvd Bradenton, Florida 34211, and company name is Computers Repair Plus Electronics, and we are a local repair shop. Mostly we repair any electronics, computers, laptop, tablet, anything. And our contact number is 941-567-6431. And my name is Murshid again from Computers Repair Plus. If you have any question, give us a call during store hours, or email or text message to the number, and I will try to respond as soon as I can. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.